Hello guys, um, I'm here again. Hi guys, it's the last day of midterm exam, and today isa lang yung schedule ko, which is Strema, the most major of them all. So last night I was studying real hard kasi parang nauwi na din sa praming yung pag-aaral ko. I don't know, tamad ako, so pinamad ako actually mag-aral, so kagabi lang ako fully nag-aral talaga sa Strema ng aral ganun. Anyway, papasok na ako ngayon. 10:30 pa yung klase ko, but like it's 7 a.m. ata right now kasi sa school na ako mag-review pa since pas na-motivate ako mag-review pa ulit sa umaga kapag nasa school ako, since na syempre school yun, so parang yung utak ko sabi niya need mo mag-aral yun. So every time may exam ako or whatever, umaga ko lagi napasok sa school kasi yung additional review na kailangan ko pa is sa school ko ginagawa. And this is so random kasi I don't know if I want to like do vlogs and everything, pero kasi parang mahihain ako, so I don't know, pero gusto ko lang mag-film ngayon to document my struggles and whatever. As in, I slept 2 hours ata. Oh yeah, kasi natulog ako ng around 3 a.m. and then nagising din ako ng 4 hanggang, tapos balik-balik lang ako sa tulog ko hanggang 5 a.m. and then 5 tumayo na ako to prepare. The only motivation I have right now is after this half day, makatulog na ako. So, ayun, yun lang ang motivation ko, guys. And also, I can't fuck this exam since bagsak ako sa quiz 1 namin. So, need ko bumawi. Since Streva nga siya, so ang dami ng post-rag. Kaya, hindi ako pwedeng bumagsak. Yeah. I don't know if I can do this though. If I can do vlogs and whatever lalo na sa school. I don't know, let's just try. Kailangan natin mag-ayos kasi dapat kung bumagsak man ako, mas maganda akong bumagsak. Go to school early, but this is my earliest so far this year. I usually go around 8 p.m. 8 a.m. And then magbibiyahe pa, so nakating ako lang usually 8:30 or 9. But today is different. It's major, so yeah, I have to be early. So kung ano man hindi ko pa naaral, I can start. Unlike kasi kapag nandito ako sa bahay, it's more of hihiga lang ako hanggang sa dumating yung time na I'm supposed to go na. Ending, wala akong naaral pa ako. So, na-apply ko na lang. Na-addict ako sa cup. I mean, alam kong hindi bagay, but like, pero so cute. Anyway. Anyway, yeah, I gotta go. Alas 12. Bakit? Ano oras? Buti mo sigurado. Okay. Hi guys, paalis na ako. Look at my lolo. Ayun si lolo. Ang layo ng pinag-aarawan niya. Lado kasing araw sa amin, so nandun siya. Anyway. Hello guys. I'm here again as I'm getting ready for school kasi it's currently Monday today. Then I have afternoon class and my side and nice ko yung gamit ko. Kasi pauwi na ako. Okay, alis na ako. Actually, I remember saying na mag-video pa ako after the exam last Friday. I couldn't do so kasi I got my exam. It's actually a quiz pa lang naman. It's a major subject. Like, yeah. I feel that shit. So, I can't do any other video kasi I'm so fucking disappointed with what happened. Yeah, so, hindi na ako nakapag-video. And Tuesday, we have scheduled midterm exam sa same subject na yun. So, I was kind of studying for it. Though, hindi ako makapag-focus masyado. I'm so fucking fed up and oh my gosh. Yan, pagod na ako guys. Pasok! Anyway. Wala. Secret. Anyway, yeah. That goes on after namang bagsak. Aral na ulit kasi may ibabagsak ka pa ulit. And actually funny the thing about what happened during the exam. Since 5 problems lang yun and 3 of the problems are already given to us during assignments. So parang pamigay na lang din talaga siya. And yung assignment is totally 50 points and then plus 10 sa multiple choice. So kapag napasa mo yun, multiple choice and sa 3 assignments, you get 60 points. So pasado ka na sa quiz na yan. And then there are other problems which is super mahirap para sa akin kasi hindi ko na-review yun. So as in walang idea kung paano i-solve yung other 2 problems. So I was confidently answering the 3 assignments kasi yun talaga yung inano ko kasi nga sabi ko pamigay yun. So like ang laking points na nun. So there's this number na matatandaan ko yung sagot niya kasi nga na-review yun. Ang kaso hindi ko pa palagbas yung answer na yun and I wasn't so sure if tama ba yung memory ko na yun yung tamang sagot. So but like hindi ko yun napalabas. So parang nagdududa ako sa number na yun. So I was ready to give up the other 2 kasi nga hindi ko talaga alam sagutan. So give up ko na siya. And then I was silently praying sana tama ko yung 3 problems. Para pumasa ako. So I triple check the assignments and but still duda pa din ako dun sa isang number na yun. So but like ilang beses ko na kasi siya chinek. So parang sabi ko kahit anong gawin ko hindi ko alam paano saan ako nagkakamali. So bakit hindi ko yung mapalabas. It's just that may mali pala sa formula ko which hindi ko napansin. And then after so pinasa ko na yung paper ko early. Di pa tapos yung time pinasa ko na which is sobrang rare for me because I don't do that. I usually finish the time talaga. Kahit wala na akong masagot kasi palagi naniniwala ako na palagi may mapipiga ka pa talaga last minute sa utak mo. So, but di ko yun ginawa. So, I was so disappointed with myself. I get obsessed with wearing my cap backwards. I don't know, it's because of that manhwa I'm reading. I'm currently reading. Anyway, that's one of this. So this is a product. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this cap. It's probably or if I'm just gonna like. Pero nagsasawa na kasi ako sa cap na. Hi, guys. I'm almost home. Kasi maaga natapos yung klase namin. So, more time to review Strema. Because it's been confirmed na bukas nga yung exam. So, yeah. Normally, when it's Monday, I usually sleep muna after this subject, and vice like, uwi ko, natutulog ako until 6 p.m. before ako gumawa ng other schoolworks. But today, I don't think I can do that since gahol ako sa oras mag-review. So, maybe it's better if I go study na ngayon, and then later at night, mas makakatulog ako. Yeah, let's do that. Sobrang init. Hi! 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 Ang aga pa, it's currently 3:34. I usually go home around 4:30. Hello guys, I'm finally wearing my uniform right now. It's Tuesday and 7 a.m. now. Today is the final, the actual midterm exams sa Strema. So, we gotta go early sa school to review pa yung mga hindi pa natin. Hindi lang because I can't fuck this up. Kinakabahan ako honestly kasi alam na lalabas na mga problems since hindi ako nag-try ng other problems sa book. Lecture lang inaral ko. I don't know what will happen. Also, my room is kind of bare right now. So, may magagawa. Aayusin yung kwarto. And finally, papalitada na yan. So, anyway, gotta go. Bye.